Hey folks, a mild night across the valley. Temperatures holding in the low 70s valley-wide. 73 right now in Stark County, 69 Harlingen. That's the cool spot. Brownsville not far behind underneath there at 70. 71 degrees right now in Port Isabel. Hey, look at our lows tonight. We're not going much of anywhere. Upper 60s and even 70 at the beach. That's it. Relatively humid. Humidity coming up just a bit with dew points in the mid to upper 60s. And then tomorrow, windy, key word. High temperatures back 90 plus from McAllen westward. Almost everybody else in the 80s, and of course the island cooler at 78 degrees tomorrow. Nature's air conditioner, that cool water, keeping the air temperatures cool as well. Look at the next 7 days. We go up to around 90. You just got to stay there. The normal for this time of year, the 30-year average is 82, so we'll be above that. We don't see anything to cool it off, and we don't see much to trigger rain over the area. We'll talk more about that in a second. Bigger picture shows Texas tonight, 71 in Dallas, 70 in Odessa, same thing in Abilene, 69, San Antonio and Austin, Houston at 68, so a mild night wall to wall across Texas. Not much in terms of rain in the state tonight either. Pretty quiet. There's a big ridge still in control. There's a warm front pushing out of the state, but the European model is going to show us what's going to happen the next 7 days, or at least what the European model thinks will happen the next 7 days. Windy conditions tomorrow. Pretty confident in that. We get into Friday. This front moves across the state. It's preceded by a dry line. They come together, trigger big-time thunderstorms north of the valley from maybe San Antonio northward up through Dallas and then up into parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, maybe into Missouri as well. For us, most if not all the rain, we still expect to stay to our north. About a 5% possibility something could sneak into the valley Friday afternoon. Drier air builds in then on Saturday, and with that, we warm up. Temperatures on Saturday into the mid-90s probably. Then the wind's back out of the southeast by Sunday, so that kind of puts a lid on things. A wind off the Gulf, you can't get as hot because that cooler air eventually comes in to replace the hot stuff. And then Monday, another front moves across the state, but again, the rain stays way to the north. Tuesday, another quiet day, but Tuesday into Wednesday, this front could trigger something nearby. So by the middle to latter part of next week, again, a slight possibility of a shower, but the key word there is slight, just like Friday, not much chance. Wednesday, we're throwing about a 10% chance in there for a shower or maybe a thunderstorm. Rest of the country, check out the temperature. 70s in Florida, up in the northeast. Here's where it's cold. You need your coat in Syracuse, 18. Boston, 19. Central Park tonight, New York, 24. State College, PA, same thing. Upper Midwest, chilly, but not all that out of line for this time of year. So tonight, a low of 66, mainly clear this evening, then the clouds come in later on. Then tomorrow, back to 87. Windy, the big word there. Southeast winds 20 to 30 and a little bit gusty. Friday, a warm day, 89. Saturday, a hot day, that 92 might not be hot enough. We may have to bump that up a couple more. Sunday, we're still warm, but the wind back out of the southeast, so not quite as hot as Saturday. And then we hold about 90 middle of next week with an isolated shower possible by about Wednesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.